Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to download the Spendee app. So first thing you will do is to open up Play Store. So open it up, then tap this search bar at the bottom, and then simply click on this search tab right here. Now type Spendee like this and click on this icon. Now click on this second app which says Spendee, it is this colorful icon, and then press install. Now your app will start to installing, so wait a minute. So as you can see, it is installed now, and Xiaomi will do a security scan of this app, and once this scan is done you can press open and it will open up your Spendee app. So it is really this simple. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.